Scavenging through the internet, I've finally uncovered an indicator that stands out from the rest. It's one of the sharpest tools I've encountered in a long time, capable of predicting market moves with such minimal delay.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
This indicator is incredibly easy to use and works seamlessly across the stocks, Forex, and even crypto market, and also on any time frame you might be trading. Besides, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to open trades and close them in profit. And for cherry on top, I'll combine it with another powerful indicator to maximize its potential. So no more fluff, let's dive straight in. To access this incredible indicator, head over to tradingview.com. If you are new to the platform, I'll include a link in the description. Once you are on the site, navigate to the indicators section and type in average force in order to pull it up. It will appear right below your chart in a default form. For a bit modification, in inputs, set period on 80 and crank up the smooth to 30. This setting makes the indicator less sensitive. In the styles, I choose brighter colors for the indicator bars just for a better look. The average force indicator measures the strength and momentum of the price movements, helping identify trend reversals and entries. It looks much like the MACD indicator but with more precision. When the histograms switch from yellow to purple, it signals a momentum shift from bullish to bearish. This transition is highly tradable, as it's a reliable indicator that works accurately in most scenarios. The same goes for long signal. When histograms switch from purple to yellow, it signals a momentum shift from bearish to bullish. This change is significant, often serving as a powerful amplification of a potential upward trend. However, sometimes the indicator may produce false signals, as it can be influenced by the time frame and the asset's overall market cap. This means price movement may not always align with the signal's direction, leading to inaccurate predictions that need filtering.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
To address this, I'll introduce another indicator for additional confirmation before entering a trade. So go back to the Indicators tab and type in SSL HYBRID, one of my own favorites. We'll have to tweak the settings to optimize its performance. In inputs, set SSL 1 type to Kijun V2 and its lengths to 200. In the styles, follow my exact steps. With the adjustments I just made, the SSL indicator has become incredibly powerful. So let's see how this indicator strengthens our strategy. First, it serves as a solid support for the candles. Price action struggles to break through and typically bounces off, continuing the trend. However, if the candles manage to break past it, this signals a major momentum shift, indicating the start of a new trend which is backed by the indicator itself. This is the quality that we're going to use for the strategy. Now, we'll combine both the indicators to create a powerful strategy that can deliver consistent profits. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me and motivates me to keep bringing you free trading content. For entering long positions, follow these criteria. First, wait for a confirmed SSL breakout, indicated by its color turning blue. Second, look for a momentum shift on the average force indicator, signaled by the appearance of yellow histograms. These are the foundational rules before introducing a third confirmation. Once you see both confirmations on the chart, it's time to open a long position. Set your stop loss just below the SSL for protection, and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 2 or 3. The real advantage here is that the trend can extend for a considerable time, as long as the average force stays yellow.
To tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
For a short position, the criteria are reversed. First, wait for an SSL breakout with its color turning red, indicating bearish momentum. Second, look for a confirmation on the average force indicator by spotting the appearance of purple histograms, which signals a shift towards a downward momentum. These two conditions are essential before considering an entry. Once both criteria are visible on the chart, initiate a short position. Setting stop loss slightly above the SSL line and targeting a risk-reward ratio of 2 or 3. Now you might come up with a decent question. How do we ensure that these signals are accurate enough to aim for high risk-reward ratios? Well, the answer isn't just simple, as it depends on your trading expertise. Let me clarify with an example. Before entering a trade, I always start by drawing a trend line, connecting all the higher lows. Then, I wait for both SSL and a trendline breakout, which provides a further confirmation of a complete trend reversal. Also, don't forget to monitor the momentum shift on the average force indicator. From a price action perspective, if the market has already created a lower high, it might form a pattern, known as QM pattern, a strong reversal sign. We also got a wedge pattern forming at the end of the trend, which becomes our fifth confirmation. With all these criteria aligning, we can be confident of a significant price drop. As I previously stated, price will keep making lower lows under the SSL indicator supporting it, as long as the average force indicator remains purple.
Oh no! Anyway, last week...
Watch this example for yourself. Once again, price will keep moving up as long as average force indicator remains yellow. One final example just to make sure you all have learned this strategy. Well, I've seen this strategy work effectively across various markets and timeframes. However, depending on the asset's market cap and the timeframe you're trading in, you may need to adjust the settings to reduce indicator's sensitivity. Since I'm still exploring the indicator myself, I encourage you to experiment with different settings in different timeframes in different assets. It could provide valuable insights for others. This wraps up the discussion. If you learned something new, then go ahead and like the video. It helps to spread the word to more people who might benefit from this strategy. If you got any questions, don't hesitate and ask them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer all of them. Until another episode, take care.